Due to the highly developed freight industry in Pakistan, trucks start often, wearing out the starter gears on the flywheel. To solve long repair waits, small workshops buy new U-steel to mass-produce starter rings for customers. The steel here is high-strength U-steel bought in bulk. Save time. Master Lauba designs special molds for the needed ring size. Using a motor-driven mechanism, the steel is quickly shaped. Since the shaped steel is still one piece, Lauba uses a high-power cutter to cut it. One looper is the exact size needed for a ring, so no markings are needed, saving time. After cutting, the steel lacks enough shaping ability, causing a 2 centimeter gap to spring back at the cut. A special rotary shaping machine with 2 slots and pressing wheel quickly closes the gap, keeping the steel flat. To ensure the best joint strength, advanced hot melt welding is used instead of electric welding. The steel is melted at over 3000 degrees and held for 3 seconds to complete the welding. Then, the mold released, and the ring is placed to cool naturally. To ensure the ring size is accurate, it is fixed on a lathe. First, the outer side of the gear is turned to prevent uneven tooth depth later. Although turning the flat surface isn't very useful, the ring look more refined. With skilled operation, a gear blank is processed in just half a day. Today's production is batch operated, and once enough blanks are turned, they are fixed on this gear shaper. Although this gear shaper is from 1982, its design is advanced. By stacking, it can process up to 250 gear rings. Once the machine starts, no manual intervention is needed as it controls the cutting process. Due to high temperatures, the gear shaper sprays cooling oil to prevent strength reduction and improve efficiency. After processing, Master Lauba loosens the bolts and carefully removes the rings, placing them aside. Then, he will transport them to the next station. Since right-angle gears are hard to mesh, to ensure better cooperation with the starter and extend their lifespan, helical gear machine creates a guiding angle on one side of the gear teeth. From the production of such a small gear ring, you can see Master Lauba's craftsmanship, demanding strict attention to every detail. After processing, the master inspects each tooth, and only after confirming everything is correct can they be delivered to the customer. At point, the mass-produced flywheel rings are complete.